Let's have a look at the GIGABYTE RX 7900 GRE Gaming OC 16GB graphics card. I'm going to use it to make an all AMD PC build featuring Ryzen 5 7600X CPU. Let's see what we get in the box. Oh, it's not that easy to extract it. There we go. It is nice to see that it is well packaged and protected for transit. Even though it is a fairly budget-friendly GPU, so they could skimp on the packaging, but they didn't. And there it is. Let's put the GPU to the side now and see if anything else is inside the box. Nope. That is it. Just the quick guide and nothing else. No accessories. The bag is sealed using yellow tape that says Gigabyte qualified. Let's open it up. This tape leaves a little bit of residue, so I guess it's a sort of security kind of tape. However, if you are careful enough, then you can peel it without leaving any residue. Like so. That's clean. I decided to peel that tape off camera because it took a while to get it off. And let's have a look at the graphics card. Oh, there it is. Metal backplate. Very nice. And take a look at that. That backplate is huge. It goes over the side like that. Protective film on top of the Gigabyte logo. This should be RGB logo, but there's also a Radeon logo. In terms of ports, this card comes with two HDMI 2.1 and two DisplayPort 2.1 ports. And it has two 8-pin power connectors, as well as the bias switch over here for silent and OC bias. It is always nice to have two bias options. In terms of dimensions, this card is over 2 slots thick, so you need 3 slots. And let's check the length. It is 300 millimeters long. It's not very tall, so it will fit in most normal cases, like this mid-tower over here. In terms of cooling, it has 3 fans and a pretty beefy heatsink with 6 heat pipes. Check this out. Memory as well as power is cooled by a plate. This one is aluminum, and the memory is covered by a copper plate. There's also several power phases on this side of the card as well. They are also cooled. The plastic shroud isn't exactly high quality materials. It's just your regular plastic, but it looks fine. The GPU looks decent. I mean, if you look at it from this angle right here, then check it out. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Do you like this design? And here is what it looks like inside of a fully assembled PC. Pretty nice, right? This is a full AMD build featuring the Ryzen 5 7600X and the RX 7900 GRE graphics card. So if you're interested in seeing how well this performs, then check it out at the link in the description below. I will post those videos on my second channel. In terms of noise, when a game is running, in this case it's Hellblade 2, you can definitely hear that the graphics card is working. I wouldn't call it noisy, it's just normal computer noise for me. So let's take a listen. I'm using this wireless microphone. There's your noise sample. And by the way, this is a big quiet PC case with big quiet fans and a big quiet CPU cooler. So the fans are pretty much almost silent. Whatever noise you may have heard was coming from the GPU. And the graphics card is 100% loaded. Total board power is close to 290 watts. If you're interested in any of the products featured in this video, then check them out at the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what do you think about all this. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.